Good morning, guys. Today is December 27, 2020. So tomorrow is my birthday. Itong nasa harapan ko ay aking ipamimigay for tomorrow because it's my birthday tomorrow. So, isi-share ko sa inyo itong mga shoes nito for my birthday presents sa inyo. So, tomorrow, abangan nyo po ang aking live for giving this shoes. Lahat ng shoes po yan ay ipamimigay natin. So, abangan nyo po bukas itong mga nakabox na to. So, naway nakaantabay po kayo lahat. Okay guys, see tomorrow for giving this gift. God bless. Merry Christmas.